Thursday, firsties. Happy last day before spring break. If you can grab your math packets for one last time and turn into your math packet on page 21. We're going to work on the first two problems together on page 21, and then I'm going to ask you to do number 3. Try it. You try it on your own, and that's going to be your math today. So let's go over this together. The first two. All right, so the first one says Ming has 27 animal pictures and 14 plant pictures. How many pictures does Ming have in all? So in all is going to tell me that I need to add them up. And I know I have 27 plus 14, and I have to think, what does that equal? Well, it says I can draw a picture, or I could do a tens model. So I did my tens and my ones, so I did talls and smalls for 27, so that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and for 14, I did 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if I want to count them up like this, I'm going to count all my tens first, and then I'm going to count my ones, and when I do that, it looks like this: 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, so 27 plus 14 would give me 41. I could also look at just my ones and see if I can make a new 10. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I take 1, 2, 3 more friends of 10, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Can take these and make a 10 over here, and now I count 10, 20, 30, 40, and one more is 41. So again, that gives me 41. I can also use my think cloud and think tens and ones. And if I do it this way, when I think tens and ones, I add my ones first, because when I count, the first number I say is 1. So I'm going to start with my ones, and I have 7 plus 4. Well, 7 plus 4 is 11. And when I look at 11, I still have a 10 and a 1. And if I have a 10 and a 1, I keep my 1 down here, and I put my 10 back over here. So that's 2, 3, 4. So again, my answer is 41. So those are 3 different ways you can solve this problem. Let's look at number 2. It says use drawings and write an equation to solve, just like we did with number 1. Sarah has 36 marbles. Her sister gives her 17 more marbles. How many marbles does Sarah have now? How many now? Okay, so we're going to add again because she got more marbles. So I can set it up. 36 plus 17 is my number sentence, my addition equation. And if I use my model, I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So if I'm going to do it this way, I want to count my tens first and then count them by ones. So I'm going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So 36 plus 17 equals 53. If I want to see if I can make a 10 out of my ones, I know I have 6 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And friends of 10 is 6 plus 4. So if I take 4 more ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go like this just because it's easier. If I take these 4 and these 6, now that's 10. I can make one more 10 here, and I have 3 left over. So then we count my 10s and then my ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. So I still get 53 marbles for Sarah. The other way I can do it is I can set it up, and I can say my TO trick, tens and ones, 36 plus 17. And when I do it this way, I add my ones first. So I say 6 plus 7, and I think, oh, that's break, a doubles plus 1. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 1 more is 13. So when I make my number 13 down here, I have a 10 and a 1 again. So my 1's place is my 3, so that stays there. And my 10 comes to my 10's place. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s, which then makes 53. So those are 3 different ways you can solve these 2-digit addition problems. Number 3 says, there are 15 pigs and 29 goats. How many animals are there in all? Use a drawing to solve your problem. So look at what we just did. We did 3 different ways to solve these problems. Whichever way is your favorite, whichever one works the best for you, that's the way I want you to solve number 3 today. Okay, so you go solve number 3, and you have a wonderful break, and I miss you, and I'll see you soon.